Did you know the world once plunged into a conflict so massive, it reshaped borders, societies, and ideologies forever? This wasn't just a war, it was a global upheaval. Welcome to the story of World War I, the Great War, where alliances shattered, empires fell, and humanity faced the devastating cost of modern warfare. Let's unravel how it began, what defined its horrors, and how its impact still echoes today. The 20th century began with a delicate balance of power. Europe was a chessboard of alliances, the Triple Entente of Britain, France, and Russia against the Triple Alliance of Germany, Austria, Hungary, and Italy. Nationalism surged, particularly in the Balkans, where tensions boiled over with the assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand in 1914. That single event ignited a chain reaction, plunging the world into a war everyone thought would end by Christmas. Instead, it stretched into 4 years of unimaginable suffering. On the Western Front, soldiers lived through trench warfare, a new and horrific experience. Picture this: knee-deep in mud, surrounded by the stench of death, rats scurrying everywhere, and enemy fire constantly overhead. Battles became a gruesome game of inches. The Battle of Verdun alone saw nearly a year of relentless fighting, with no decisive outcome but a staggering toll of over 700,000 casualties. Technology advanced, but at what cost? Machine guns, tanks, and poison gas turned battlefields into killing fields, while aircraft introduced aerial combat and reconnaissance. But World War I wasn't just a European story. It was global. Colonial forces from Africa and Asia fought alongside their European colonizers, bringing the war to every corner of the earth. The Ottoman Empire joined the Central Powers, drawing the Middle East into the conflict. Meanwhile, naval battles and submarine warfare raged on the seas, disrupting trade and crippling supply lines. As the war dragged on, exhaustion set in. The turning point came in 1917, when the United States entered the war, tipping the scales in favor of the Allies. By November 11, 1918, the guns finally fell silent. But peace came at a price. The Treaty of Versailles imposed severe reparations on Germany, humiliating a nation and sowing seeds of resentment that would lead to another global conflict just 2 decades later. Yet, the Great War wasn't just about loss. It brought profound change. Empires crumbled. The Austro-Hungarian, Ottoman, German, and Russian empires were no more. Women stepped into roles previously reserved for men, paving the way for future rights movements. Even the arts and literature were transformed as a disillusioned generation sought to make sense of the chaos they'd endured. World War I wasn't just a chapter in history. It was a turning point for humanity. It taught us the devastating cost of unchecked ambition and rivalry. But the question remains, have we truly learned those lessons? What echoes of this war still shape our world today? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more deep dives into the events that shaped our past and define our future.